Good morning, sir.
Good morning, yeah. Hello, good morning, students. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning to all. Okay. Once more, good morning to all students. We are going to discuss about the question answers of Earth, our living planet. In the last class, we discussed about the first chapter, sources, and also second one, meaning and importance of political science. Once more, tell the importance of studying that political science, and later on, we will discuss about that geography chapter. Here, anyone else, you once more tell the importance of political science. Aniket Wankari. Aniket,
Yes, sir.
tell the importance of political science.
Study about human society.
Political science study about the human society, human activities, human activities. Okay, next.
Political science help us to study about federations, local bodies, politics.
Local body, that administration also. It helps to study about the local bodies administration. Next, you be
Sir,
silent.
which lesson?
Tell.
Sir, which lesson you telling?
Political science, last question we are discussing here. We are discussing about the last question, political science.
Sir, shall I tell?
Meaning and importance of political science, first lesson, last question we are discussing. Tell, any 2 points you tell first.
It helps to understand the birth and growth of the state. It provides the information about type of governments.
See there, political science, it helps to know the growth of that state and cities. And next, it's organs, the organs of the government also. About that organs also here, political science, it may give clear picture to the us. Next. Hello. Answer. Bhagyashree Patil. Bhagyashree Patil. Pramod, tell answer.
It helps us to establish a modern welfare.
That welfare.
It provide us.
Tell the second point.
It provides the knowledge of international. It provides knowledge of international relations and of peace and of cooperation.
First one, it helps to found that welfare society in the country, and second here, it helps to understand the national and then international relationship between the countries. There are a lot of benefits which we get by studying the political science, and also it helps to develop leadership quality among the people, and also it helps to know about the local problems and help us to identify the solutions to the local problems. Political science, it helps us to involve in the administration of a government, and it helps us to know about the government policies which are beneficial to us, which are not beneficial to us. Like this, there are several uses or importance are there about the political science. If we study that, we will understand almost all the political activities, interests, ideas, and build our career in that political field. These are all few points regarding the importance of political science. Now we are going to discuss about the geography first lesson, Earth, our living planet. Did you heard any sound? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let it be.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let it be. Maybe now, okay, let us discuss about the exercise question. Earth, our living planet. Here we are going to discuss here first about the fill in the blank. Later onwards, we'll discuss about the answer the following questions and define the following these all things. These all issues. Here is the first question. The total, Rida, unnecessary, do not on your that audio. Otherwise, whatever sound is there in your house, it will disturb here. The total, first question, under that fill in the blank. The total geographical area of the earth is a dash square kilometer. Akash Masri. Akash. Akash. Adil Urchankar.
Yes, sir.
What is the first fill in the blank?
510 million square kilometers.
510 million.
Million square kilometers.
Okay. Don't write in exam only 510 square kilometer, million square kilometer. Remember, if you have written a square kilometer only, it will be wrong. That is a million square kilometer. And the second question is the shape of the earth is dash. The shape of the earth is a dash.
Shall I tell?
Wait.
Later.
Darshan Maitri. Darshan. Dharnendra. Dharnendra. Dharnendra, tell the answer. Okay, let it be. Who raised their hand?
Sir, shall I tell?
Rida, tell the answer.
Sir, geoid is answer, sir.
Geoid, it is the shape of the earth. Okay. Now, the third question. Tutorial, you off your audio, Vida. Third, fill in the blank. The equatorial and polar diameters of the Earth is dash and dash kilometers. The equator and polar diameters of the Earth is dash and dash kilometers.
Little, sir.
What is question, sir?
The equatorial and polar diameter of the Earth is dash and dash kilometers.
Shall I tell, sir?
Wait.
12,007.
Pavan. Only 12,000.
Sir, shall I tell?
Complete that.
Sir, shall I tell?
12
Wait, Maitri.
12,756.
What? Centimeter? Hello? Pavan.
Yes, sir.
Centimeter?
Diameter of the earth.
Sir, kilometer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kilometer.
Okay.
And 12,714 kilometers.
Kilometer also at the end. Don't, in a confusion, don't drop. Mention that kilometer also. What about the under fill in the blanks in the same question?
Yes, sir.
What is the under one?
12,714 kilometers.
Okay. First is a
12,714 kilometers.
okay. And then second one, it is
12,756.
14 kilometer. 12,714 kilometers. First understand the question and then answer.
Kilometer.
Do not do hurry here to say the answer. Otherwise, all that students, they will get confusion. What answer we are hearing like that. Understood? Pavan. Don't do hurry to say the answer. Here, 12,756 kilometer. It is diameter of equator region, and 12,714. This is the polar region diameter. Remember, 12,714. It is the polar region diameter, and 12,756. It is the equator line region diameter there. Now, the fourth one, the 23.5 degree north latitude is called as dash.
Shall I tell, sir?
So shall I tell?
You
Shall I tell?
those who have already got chance, you be silent. Allow the other students also to take participation here.
Sir.
Sir, I not told only.
I will ask each and everyone. Otherwise, I will repeat the question also. Be silent. Sumit Devar. Vinay Maidargi.
Sir.
Answer. Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Fourth answer. Page number 165. Don't know,
Sir,
what is the page number?
sir, local time and standard time, sir.
That is not
Sir, it is wrong.
fourth one. The 23.5 degree north latitude is called as dash. What do you call that?
Sir, shall I tell?
He is sitting there. I know, Maran. Kulkarni. Soumya, tell the answer. Soumya Shimpi.
Yes, sir. Tropic of Capricorn.
Tropic of Cancer.
Capricorn, sir.
Capricorn, it is the southern. By mistakenly, I mentioned there Capricorn, but the right answer it is a
Topic of Cancer.
Answer.
see there. It is the north one. It is the north one. Therefore, that is a Tropic of Cancer. And Tropic of Capricorn, it is the southern 23.5 degree latitude. What is the proper answer?
Sir, fourth answer is
Tropic of
Tropic of
Cancer.
Capricorn answer.
Tropic of Capricorn, not. By mistakenly, it is mentioned there, Capricorn. You write there as Tropic of Cancer. They didn't draw the important latitudes diagram. Draw Madil Ayaru. Here I have told to draw that in the fair.
No, sir.
Why I
Yes, sir.
sent image of that all important 5 latitudes. You should draw that diagram in your fair. Then only
Sir, where?
there are 7. You have to draw some of these important latitudes. Then you will understand where is these all Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. By simply reading, you do not understand where are these. Are these in the northern or the southern hemisphere?
Sir, we'll draw last.
At last also you can draw. If I would ask in the exam this diagram, how you will draw that? You refer that file once more and draw that in the fair. This important latitude diagram. Understood? Today once more I will send what that file. If you don't know, if you didn't get that diagram, by referring that file, PDF file, you can draw once more in your fair that. Okay, here the fourth answer it is a Tropic of Cancer. Make it correct. That is Tropic of Cancer. And now fifth question. The Indian Standard Time is based on dash longitude.
Sir, shall I tell?
Sushant Biradar.
82.5 Eastern.
82.5 degree eastern longitude.
Eastern.
Correct? Kalyan, first off your audio. Otherwise, your all friends they will listen your sound. Here, the Indian Standard Time it is based on the 82.5 degree eastern longitude. You know, no need to draw that again and again. It will take time. Therefore, I will drop that. Okay, now all these fill in the blanks they are over. Now we are going to discuss about the answer the following questions briefly here.
Yes, sir.
Here is the first question. That is, why is the Earth called a living planet? Why do we call Earth as living planet? Wait.
Earth has. Shall I tell, sir? Shall I tell? Shall I? Shall I?
Tell now. Dharmendra, tell the answer.
The Earth has living planet in our solar.
Earth is the only, you say. You don't say Earth has a living planet. Understood? Complete the
The Earth is the only planet which have water and air.
It is a YouTube live. Later on also, your friends, those who are not attending the class, they will also observe that and they will get a disturbance. Otherwise, those who are attending now also you will get they will get disturbance here. Therefore, all together don't speak. Here, didn't I tell him beginning of the class? I will call particular student, or otherwise I'll take particular student name, and then others you allow that student to say the answer. In between middle, don't enter and sir shall I tell? Don't say that word, because here I have to give importance to each and every year. Those who have already got chance, you be silent. Whenever others they do not answer, then I'll ask you. Understood? Don't ask again, sir, shall I tell, shall I tell? That's what it is disturbing here, therefore. It is YouTube live. Therefore, don't what make sound middle. Okay. Kirti Upin. Kirti. Girish Akkalkot. Girish. Bhageshri Patil. Bhageshri Patil. Meghna Jodmote. Mega Jodmote. Kiran Biradar. If you aren't ready to answer here, I will ask. Sorry, I am so sorry. Now, Kiran Biradar.
Sir,
Kiran Biradar. Mega. Darshan Maitre.
sir, what? Artist.
Darshan Maitre.
Earth is the only planet which supports life, moderate temperature life, supporting gases, atmosphere, and cycle.
Okay, your answer it is correct. You say that properly. Gautami. Gautami, tell the answer.
Suitable distance from the sun, moderate temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle.
Suitable distance from the sea, atmosphere, water cycle, and atmosphere that gases. These are the points which make Earth as a living planet. Whatever points you told now, these are all essential to all the living beings on the Earth, because and these are all present. These are all present on the Earth. Due to this reasons here, Earth it is called a living planet. These are all helps to the growth of that living beings on the Earth. Because of that, Earth it is called a living planet. Who will repeat the same answer once more? Rihan Hawaldar. Rihan.
Yes, sir.
Repeat the answer. Rehan. Ganga Jampa. Rehan, if you know the answer, tell. Otherwise, Ganga. Neel Ganga. Spandana.
suitable distance from the sun, moderate temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle.
What are these all points?
Living planet.
These are made the earth as
Living planet.
planet. Okay. Now the second question, why are the northern and southern hemispheres called land and water hemispheres? Why do we call northern and southern hemisphere as land and water hemispheres? Who didn't tell answer? Sumit Devar. Sumit Devar. He is not ready to open his mouth also. Okay.
Shall I tell?
Sindhu. Sindhu Jampa. Sindhu. Shweta.
The northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water. Therefore, it is called as land hemisphere.
What about the southern?
The southern hemisphere has 81% of water and 19% of land in the southern hemisphere. And so it is called as water hemisphere.
Okay, correct. Northern hemisphere, it has 60% of land and 40% of water. Because of that, it is considered, it is called as a land hemisphere. And the southern one, it has 81% of water, 19% of land. Therefore, it is called a water hemisphere. Okay, other points, other questions are there, Sura? I won't discuss more about this question. Now the third question, what are latitudes and longitudes? What are latitudes and longitudes? Vaishnavi Haralaya.
So shall I tell?
Tell.
Latitudes are imaginary lines which join all the places which have the same distance north of the equator. Longitude, the imaginary lines that interest equator at right angle joining to the north and south are called the longitude.
You told here both meaning.
Yes, sir.
Second one it is correct, but first one you did a little mistake. You
Sir,
told,
shall I tell?
okay, correct, but make it correct here. Now understand by other one here.
Yes, sir.
Sir, shall I tell?
Latitudes are imaginary lines which join all the places which have the same angular distance north or south of the equator.
Okay, north and south of the equator. Others, Akash Misli, repeat the meaning of that longitude.
Sir, shall I tell?
Deepak, tell.
Longitude, the imaginary lines that intersect equator at a right angle joining north and south.
Joining.
Is called longitude.
It is called a longitude.
Sir, shall I tell, sir?
Sindhu,
Sir. Yes, sir.
tell the answer.
Latitude is an imaginary line which joins all the places at which have the same angular distance north and south of the equator.
North and south of the equator, it is called a latitude. What about the longitude? You be silent. Vaishnav, you tell the meaning of longitude once.
The imaginary lines that intersect the equator at right angle joining the north and south are called longitudes.
They are called a longitude.
Longitude.
Okay, correct here. Now the next question. Mention the difference between local and standard time.
Sir, shall I tell?
Tell the difference between the local and standard time here.
Sir, shall I tell?
Sir, shall I tell?
Pawan, you already told a 2 to 3 answer. You give a chance to the here.
Sir, shall I tell? Sir, shall I tell?
Vaishnavi, you tell anyone and then I will ask another two others then.
Yes, sir. Standard time.
As
the local time varies from place to place, it would create considerable confusion if each place were to follow its own local time.
What about the standard time?
Sir,
you told both, huh?
No, sir, I told standard time.
Tell that point once more.
As the local time varies from place to place, it would create considerable confusion if each place were to follow its own local time.
That is local time, not standard time.
That is local time.
Sir, in textbook is
Standard time.
Standard time.
Sir, in textbook first point is there, sir.
Sir.
Sir, shall I tell?
Sir, shall I tell? Sir. Sir, first
Shall I tell?
point.
Sir.
Wait, I will ask.
Sir, shall I tell?
Listen here, don't disturb here. I know some of you are able to tell all answers, but don't grab all opportunities you only.
Sir, I'm not all.
Okay, I will give preference, sir. Okay, can anyone tell now, first one?
Local time. The time which is calculated according to the position of sun at a particular place is known as local time.
What about standard time?
The uniform time which is followed throughout a country is called as standard time.
Standard time.
Sir, another point, 2 points are there.
Wait. After Ananya. Okay. Samarth Patil. Samarth Patil. You raised your hand. Answer.
Yes, sir.
Samarth Patil, answer.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir.
Sir, is not telling I will tell.
Samarth Purgaonkar. Samarth Purgaonkar.
Sir, shall I tell, sir?
Tell.
Sir, local time means the time based on the meridian through a specific place, sir.
Repeat the point once more.
The time based on the meridian through a specific place.
It is called what?
Local time, sir.
What about the standard time?
Standard time is the official local time of a particular region.
Particular country. That is particular country there. Okay. And others who are who will tell the all that point clearly?
Shall I, sir?
Shall I tell?
Shall I?
Srushti, you tell.
Shall I tell?
Local time, the time which is calculated according to the position of sun at particular places known as local time. Standard time, the informed time which is followed throughout a country is called a standard time. Local time, it changes continuously with the change in longitude. Here places on the longitude have same local time. Standard time, it remains same for a particular country. Here places on the same longitude have different standard time.
You do not read that all in 120 speed era. That's how they have to understand. Read it slowly once more.
Local time, the time which is calculated according to the
Shall I
position
tell?
of sun at
Sir, shall
particular
I?
places is known as local time.
Srushti, wait here. Others, didn't you have a sense? Which warning I gave at the beginning of the class? Read the class early. Even though again some of you are disturbing here. Whenever I will take your name, you do not answer, and then whenever the others they will start to say the answer, you will interfere. Sir, shall I there? You also won't understand, and I also unable to define is it right or wrong if you are making sound during middle day. Okay, you carry on. Srushti.
Local time, the time which is calculated according to the position of sun at particular place is known as local time.
Okay.
Standard time, the uniform time which is followed throughout a country is called a standard time. Local time, it changes continuously with the change in longitude. Here places on the same longitude have same local time. Standard time, it remains same for a particular country. Here places on the same longitude have different standard time.
Okay, correct. Now who will repeat? Some of you have interest to say the
Sir.
answer now.
Yes, sir.
Pawan, you be silent, You be silent. Kalyan, tell the answer.
Local time, the time which is calculated according to the position of sun at the particular place is known as local time. Standard time, the uniform time which is followed through a country is called as a standard time.
Okay. There is no time. Other questions are there. Therefore, I will drop that discussion more regarding that question only. Now the next question it is what is the international date line?
Shall I tell?
International date line.
Shall I tell? Shall I tell?
Sir,
shall I tell? Sir, shall I tell?
Pawan, I will remove you from the class.
Sir, I not told one answer, sir.
Wait, Borgam sir, wait. Pawan, if you are making disturbance here, I'll remove you from the class. I have told that some of you are able to say the all answers, but
Sir, how to write exam?
Borgaonkar, you answer now. Samarth Borgaonkar.
Sir, 180-degree specific question in zigzag mode in order to avoid land masses is called international date line.
Answer in 120 speed. Say it slowly.
The 180-degree meridian, which is drawn through the Pacific Ocean in zigzag mode in order to avoid land masses, is called international date line.
Okay, correct answer. Now, all these answer following questions are over. Now here we are going to discuss about the define the following. Define the following. I can ask in the exam these all for that write a short note on size of the earth also or unique planet also there.
Sir, how to write exam?
How to write an exam? Here we will send question paper. By using the question paper, you write answers in the answer sheet. Later onwards, you send that your answer sheet to the school. Understood?
Sir, timing?
This exam it is not through the online. Hard copy of that question paper you will send to your house. Therefore, after taking that question paper, you can write answers in the answer sheet and send it to the school.
How you will send,
Sir, in which time we have to send test paper to school, sir?
After writing, maybe that Saturday, sorry, Friday onwards, your exams, they will start there.
Yes, sir.
You have to come at 7 o'clock evening, write
Tomorrow.
that exam, and it is better to submit your
Sir, daily 7 o'clock?
7 p.m. evening, there, not the morning. It is better to listen carefully. It is better to submit your all answer sheets at a time there. Don't send your parents again and again to school. Maybe, sir, regarding that, they will give instructions. Otherwise, you should do one thing here. Write all answers.
Sir, on Monday.
Okay.
Yes, sir. On Monday we'll give.
You send answers.
On Monday.
Now, define the following. First one, unique planet. What do you have an idea regarding the unique planet?
Shall I tell?
Shall I?
Okay. Darshan Mitri, tell the answer.
Earth is called as a unique planet because of the following. Earth is the home for all forms of life like plants, animals, and human beings.
What are the other points?
Modern temperature, moderate temperature, life supporting gases, water cycle.
Life supporting gases. Whatever points you have written under that living planet, they are all your favorite here also there. Moderate temperature, distance from the sea, water cycle, gases, these all. Because of these all points, sources, it is called as a unique planet there. Okay. Second one, it is the size of the Earth. Second one, size of the Earth. Spandana, tell the answer.
Sir, shall I tell? Yes.
Dharmendra,
Question.
size of the Earth.
Rank in size, the Earth is the fifth largest planet in the Sun's family. The diameter of the Earth is approximately 4 times greater than the Moon, and it's around 107 times less than of the Sun. The equilateral diameter of the Earth is 12,756 kilometers, and the polar diameter is 12,714 kilometers. Equilateral circumference 14,076 kilometers and polar circumference of 14,008 kilometers.
Okay, you told the right answer, but others have to understand that don't tell the answer in 120 speed. There is no time. And then what about the Jared? Jared, Amri Anas, tell the answer regarding that Jared. Pritam or Prakash. Pritam or Prakash, tell about that Jared. Samarth Gandhi. Samarth Gandhi. Shweta, tell the answer.
The Earth's shape is often described as geode, which literally means earth-shaped or oval sphere. The Earth is flattened at the poles and
Blood.
at the equator. bloods of the equator. The difference of 42 kilometers in diameter is the proof for regarding the geode shape of the earth.
Geode shape of the earth. Once more repeat all these points.
The earth's shape is often described as geode, which literally means earth-shaped or oval sphere.
Oblate sphere. Huh?
The earth is flattened at the poles and bloods at the equator. The difference of 42 kilometers in diameter is the proof for regarding the geode shape of the earth.
The geode shape of the earth. Okay. Then fourth one, continents. Rakesh Masale, Pritam Kolekar. Pritam.
So what is question?
Wait. Continents. Pritam Kolekar. Pritam.
Shall I tell?
Okay, tell.
The land bodies of the earth are known as continents. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. The continents are the landmass of the large size. Asia is the largest continent in world, while Australia is the small continent.
Australia is the small, Asia is the largest. What about the prime meridian? Prime meridian. Ajay Teginali. Ajay Teginali, tell about the prime meridian. Vaishnavi.
Meridian passing through Greenwich, England, has been chosen as a prime meridian.
Tell the other points. Okay, what you told that is correct. Tell about the other points also.
It is marked as a 0-degree longitude. There are 180 of longitudes to east of Greenwich and 180 to west. Thus, there are 360 of longitudes.
Prime meridian. It's divided the earth into 2 hemispheres. Eastern and then western hemisphere, and it passes through that Greenwich, which is in the London. Okay, what about the last Indian Standard Time? Bhagyashree Hatel.
In India, 82.5-degree east longitude is considered as the standard meridian of the country. It passes through Allahabad to Uttar Pradesh. The time is based on this meridian is called the Indian Standard Time. It is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT.
Once more, tell these all points.
In India, 82.5-degree east longitude is considered as the standard meridian of the country. It passes the Allahabad to Uttar Pradesh. The time is based on this meridian is called as Indian Standard Time. It is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT.
Okay, correct. It passes through the Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh, and it is considered through the 82.5-degree eastern longitude, and it is 5 hours 5 and 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. Except these, is there any other points regarding the define the following in your textbook? Because I have discussed there what are in my textbook only, but I don't know what are in your textbook there. Are these all there in your textbook?
Yes, sir.
Different points are there regarding define the following.
No, sir.
Okay, students, with this here today I'll conclude the class, and classes are over in this week. Monday onwards, we will start the new chapter, and you practice map of that latitudes and then standard time, both two there. Important latitude, standard time. Once,
Sir, today will send that. Sir.
once more I will send by referring that you can draw that in the face.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, question paper WhatsApp पे लियो sir.
WhatsApp not you will send to house maybe. Therefore, by taking after taking that you can write your answers and submit that all together. Kannada, English, Science, Math, Social all together to the school after overing the all exams. Okay. With this here today I will conclude this class. Thank you so much to all for staying with me. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So what we are going to do today?
Yes, 40 seconds.
Ma'am, metals and non-metals. Chemical properties of metals and non-metals.
Okay, once again I will repeat.
ಮಾಡ್ತೋ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ.
Yes, yesterday we have discussed the properties of metals and non-metals, right? So what we have discussed that metals have luster, they are malleable, ductile. Yes, they are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are sonorous. Okay, these are the some properties of metals we have discussed. And what are the some properties of non-metals mean? Non-metals are soft. They do not have luster. Non-metals are not malleable. If non-metals are not ductile, then they are not a they are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are not sonorous. So these we have discussed. Then chemical chemical reaction. When metals react with oxygen, what they produce today? They produce metal oxide, right? When metals react with what they produce today? What they form? Metal reacts with oxygen. What they form? Metal oxide. So I am coming to the chemical reaction of metals and non-metals. In that metals with oxygen. When metals react with oxygen, they form metal oxide. So when copper reacts with oxygen, what it becomes?
Copper oxide.
So when copper reacts with oxygen, so what it forms? Copper oxide.
Copper oxide.
Copper oxide. Okay, some examples you can take that. So when aluminum reacts with oxygen, what is formed?
Aluminium oxide.
Aluminum oxide. So you know the symbols of these metals and non-metals, isn't it? So copper means Cu plus oxygen means O2 gives rise to, it becomes, what is that? CuO. So in that balance equation, if you want to balance 2Cu plus O2 gives rise to 2CuO. 2CuO. So these are some examples we have already discussed. Okay. So this is what I am telling, that when metals react with oxygen, they form metal oxide. The next one, when metals react with water, what they form, students?
Metal hydroxide.
So water means, what is the symbol?
H2.
Okay, the H2O means, what is that? Hydroxide, right? So when metals react with hydrogen, means your hydrogen oxide. water gives rise to what they produce, students?
Metal hydroxide.
Okay, so this is a reaction of metals with water. You take some example from that. So you take the sodium plus water means H2O.
Sodium hydroxide.
What we say? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. So what they form? They form hydroxide. What is that? Metal hydroxide. So when you take the metal name sodium plus water gives rise to sodium hydroxide. You can take any metal. Calcium. When calcium reacts with water, calcium hydroxide. When aluminum reacts with water, aluminum hydroxide. So these are some examples when metals react with water. So what is the next? When metals react with acids. You know some acids names, right? When metals react with acids, what they form, students? Yes. So what is this HCl means? It is a acid, hydrochloric acid, right? HCl is hydrochloric acid. When metals react with hydrochloric acid, what they form?
Hydrochloric.
For example, you take that magnesium plus HCl gives rise to what it forms? Magnesium chloride. What we say that?
Magnesium chloride.
Chloride. So when metals react with what is this? Acid. Acid means hydrochloric acid. So here I have taken hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Okay. Then fluoric acid. These are some examples of acids. Here I have taken the hydrochloric acid. So when the metals react with hydrochloric acid, they form magnesium chloride. That is a metals chloride. Okay. So magnesium, sodium when reacts with hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride we say. Okay. So when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, what is formed?
Zinc chloride.
Zinc chloride. Okay. So these are the some examples when metals react with acids. Then what is the next? So this is what we say base. Okay, base. We have learned that metals reaction with water, oxygen, and base
Ma'am,
acid. It's
what is the meaning of Cu?
copper. Copper. Cu means copper. Okay, so this is what the next one is. Base. Okay, we say that magnesium displays copper from copper sulfate solution. So what we say that this activity we have done now, students. Magnesium gives rise to what it becomes. So they displaces this place SO4 plus Cu. So here this metal is having more reaction. So that we can find the equation here. So this we have discussed in the activity. You can come to the activity in your textbook, students. And non Are you listening, students? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see, come to the page number 50 in your textbook, students. So there are
Ma'am, page number what, ma'am?
page number 650. Here you have
Ma'am, what is the page number?
50. Page number 50.
Ma'am, somebody disturbing, ma'am.
Okay. Come to the page number 50. You see that there I have shown this activity that day, isn't it? Changes in between copper and zinc and copper and iron. There is a reaction. Here you can see in three situations there is no changes. So what is that? Copper sulfate, zinc. So you can see the what we can see there. We can see the changes in the reaction. Okay. So we can replace the equations here. So Mg magnesium plus copper sulfide gives rise to here what it becomes
Ma'am,
magnesium
Fe means what, ma'am? Ma'am, Fe means what, ma'am?
iron. So you have written the symbols and metals name now, students. You see in that. So I have one more examples of metals and symbols. Have you written that?
Yes, ma'am, wrote, ma'am.
Yes. So what symbol is given for? Okay. Then you come
Ma'am,
to
ma'am, disturbance is there, ma'am.
anybody wants to speak, students of
Ma'am, your voice is talking, ma'am.
okay of your
Ma'am, disturbing, ma'am.
ಮಾಸ್ತಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ
Excellent. So reactive series of metals. So which metals have high reaction to the lower reaction? Here you can see the arrangement of the metals which have more reaction and which metals have less reaction. So this also we have discussed that. You can see that the most reactive metals, it is given that potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum. Okay, so we have given that the least reactive. Okay, so we have how it is arranged means more reactive to the less reactive. You can see that. So potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron. So these are having the most reaction, and you can see the middle reactivity decreases. How you come now down, the reactivity decreases. The last you can see the least reactive. What is that? Gold. Gold is the least reactive. It will not react with any metals or non-metals. Then non-metals. Now you understood that metals react with oxygen, metals react with water, metals react with acids and base. Now we come to that non-metals react with oxygen. What they form? So you know that non-metals means what are the examples of non-metals? Oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. Okay, these are the some examples of non-metals. When non-metals react with oxygen. Okay, so what is that? Sulfur, you take that the non-metal means sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal. When it reacts with oxygen, what it forms, students? It forms sulfur dioxide. What it forms? Sulfur dioxide. When carbon, carbon is a non-metal. When carbon reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Like this, you can take some examples of non-metals. When they react with oxygen, they form dioxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Okay, these are some examples of non-metals react with oxygen. Then you come to the next reaction with water. So non-metals do not react with water. Okay, so they may be very reaction in air. So non-metals can react with only oxygen. They do not react with water. That is how to keep in your mind. For example, you know that phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. It catches fire, it exposed to air. Phosphorus we have discussed that if you kept open that phosphor, what happens? It immediately catches the fire. Okay, by the air. To prevent this, where we store this? We store in the atmospheric oxygen. If it is stored in water, phosphorus will be stored in the water. Then reaction with acid with, you know that non-metals react with only oxygen. You keep in your mind, they do not react with acids and what we say water. Yes, students. Now next one, uses of metals and non-metals. Are you listening? Can you hear my sound, students? Yes, what are the uses of metals and non-metals? Hello, students.
Iron. Iron metals are used in making machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, trains, satellites, industrial gadgets, cooking utensils, water boilers, etc.
Okay. Then any other uses of metals? Any students can?
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Yes.
Uses of non-metals.
Metals are used in making machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, trains, satellites, industry gadgets, cooking utensils, water boilers, etc.
Okay. Then
Non-metals.
Shall I tell non-metal uses?
Ma'am, shall I tell non-metals?
okay, another boy is there, no? You tell.
Non-metals is essential for our life, which all living beings inhale during breathing oxygen. Non-metals used in fertilizers to enhance the growth of plants. Non-metals used in water purification process. Non-metal used in the purple colored solution which is applied on the wounds as an antiseptic.
Yes. You know that non-metals we use like chlorine to clean the water.
Non-metals used in crackers.
Non-metals used in crackers. You know crackers. So in Diwali and all you play, no? So crackers. Okay, these are the some uses of metals and non-metals. Then you come to your exercise part, students. Come to the exercise part. The first question is, which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets?
Wait, ma'am.
Wants to tell the answer, please raise your hand, students.
What, ma'am?
Yes, Ankita, Aniket,
Yes, ma'am. Zinc.
zinc. Okay, beaten into thin sheets. Zinc is a metal, right? The second question is, if anybody wants to tell the answer, please raise your hand. Don't tell immediately. I'll give chance for everyone. Which of the following statements is correct? All metals are ductile. All non-metals are ductile. Generally, metals are ductile. Some non-metals are ductile. Last to Samar Borkaukar.
Yes, ma'am. Generally, metals are ductile.
Generally, metals are ductile. Okay. Then you come to the fill in the blank. Phosphorus is a very dash non-metal. Yes,
Shall I tell, ma'am?
wait. Yes, Samarth Patil.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I tell?
Yes,
Reactive.
phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. Okay. Next question I am going to ask the Pramod. Metals are dash conductors of heat and dash. Pramod.
Good conductor of heat and electricity.
Yes. Iron is dash reactive than copper. Okay.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Wait. Deepak Rugi.
Ma'am, more reactive.
More reactive. Metals react with acids to produce dash gas.
Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen.
Okay, hydrogen gas. So don't tell whom you say every time. Don't tell me. I'll give chance for everyone. And true or false? Generally, non-metals react with acids. Harish,
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Harish, tell me, is it true or false? Generally, non-metals react with acids.
False.
Harish, you are telling the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it true or false?
False.
False. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am. False.
the first answer is false. Second one, sodium is a very reactive metal. Preeti Birada. Preeti, can you tell me the answer? Sodium is a very reactive metal. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, it is true.
Sodium,
True.
it is true. Then copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Harish, Ankita,
Ma'am, false.
copper displaces zinc from, it is false. Okay. Coal can be drawn into wires.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Wait. Pramod Birada. Pramod,
Ma'am, shall I tell?
yes.
False.
Ma'am, question.
Coal can be drawn into wires.
Ma'am, false, ma'am.
False.
False. Come to the properties of metals and non-metals. Students. So what is this appearance?
Ma'am, metals is lustrous and non-metal is
Lustrous and
dull.
ductile.
Lustrous and dull.
Yes, appearance means shiny or dull, right? So
Yes,
metals
ma'am.
are shiny, non-metals are dull.
Metals are shiny and non-metals are dull.
Okay.
Dull.
Hardness,
Ma'am, metals are hard and non-metals are soft.
Metals react with acids, but non-metals do not react with acids, ma'am.
Eh? Ma'am, what is this?
I am asking about hardness, which are
Metals hard and non-metals soft.
all of you don't speak, students. Whose name I follow, those have to speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't say together. Okay, Rida.
Metals are hard and non-metals are soft, ma'am.
Okay. Then malleability. Yes. Wait. I'm going to ask somebody.
Shall I tell me?
Summer 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer. Malleability. Which have malleability, metals or non-metals? Means
Malleability.
just tell the meaning of that.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Sugar can be made into the alcohol.
What?
Malleability means.
Shall I tell?
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Wait, I'm asking to who is that? Summer.
Ma'am, the property of metals by which the metals are can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Correct. Then you tell me that which they have, metals or non-metals.
metals have property of malleability. Non-metal do not have property of malleability.
Yes. Then ductility. So I am
Metals have ductility and non-metals have not ductility. What, ma'am?
whose name I call, don't respond. Don't tell all the answer, you only. Okay?
And ductility.
Yes. So Vaishnavi, Halayya.
Yes, ma'am. And question.
Question is ductility. That is, you tell me what things have ductility, property of ductility, students.
Metals can be drawn into wires. Non-metals can be drawn into wires.
Cannot draw into.
Cannot be drawn into wires. Non-metals.
Okay. Then heat conduction.
Metals conductors of heat. Non-metals poor conductors of heat.
Aniket.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me that heat conduction.
heat conduction metal good conductors of heat. Non-metals poor conductor of heat.
Poor conductors of heat. Conduction of electricity. Then who is that? Raise your hands. Only some students have raised your hand. Deepak.
Ma'am, metals are good conductor of electricity and non-metals are bad conductor of electricity.
Yes. Then you come to the give reason. So what is the first one? Aluminium foils are used to wrap food items.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
What's your name?
Tell, ma'am.
Shall I tell?
Ma'am, shall I tell, ma'am?
Yes.
Aluminium foils are used to wrap food items because aluminium metal can be drawn into thin sheets.
Drawn into thin sheets. Okay. The second one is immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metal substances. Pramod.
Immersion rods of heating liquid can be metallic substance because metals are good conductor of heat and electricity.
Okay. Third question. Copper cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. If
Shall I?
Copper can't display.
Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi Haryana, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer.
A metal can be displaced. A metal can be displaced as a reactive metal. Bromide salt is an aqueous solution, but zinc is more reactive than copper. Therefore, copper cannot be displaced.
Yes. Then fourth one, sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Girish, Girish Akkalkot, can you say? Yes. Girish, Akash Masali,
Ma'am,
can you? Preeti, Preeti Birada, tell me the answer. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Give reason.
yes, ma'am. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene because they are highly reactive elements. They can easily catch fire even when in contact with air.
Contact with air. Okay. Then seventh question is, can you store lemon pickle in an aluminum utensil? Explain.
Shall I tell?
What's your name?
Deepak, ma'am.
Ridafa,
Yes, ma'am.
can you say answer of this question?
Ma'am, which question? Sixth one, ma'am.
Seventh question.
Metal.
Seventh question. Can you store lemon pickle in an aluminum utensil?
No,
Shall I
ma'am.
tell?
Answer is no. We can't store the aluminium pickles in the aluminium utensil.
Ma'am, shall I tell, ma'am?
Ma'am, shall I tell, ma'am?
Shall I tell?
14.
What, ma'am?
Can you say? Yes. Deepak,
Lemon
Yes,
pickle
ma'am.
cannot be stored in aluminum utensils because lemon pickle contains acids. Acids react with aluminum lubricating hydrogen gas, which will lead to spoilage of pickle.
okay. Then eighth one, match the following is that. So gold.
Jewelry.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Gold is jewelry. Then I ask to whom you have to. Okay, Pramod, iron.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Machinery.
Shall I?
Pramod,
Yes, ma'am. Malay machinery.
iron, machinery. Aluminium. Preeti, aluminium.
Ma'am, shall I?
Yes,
Wrapping food.
wrapping food. Carbon, Kshitija,
Fuel.
Kshitija, carbon,
Fuel.
fuel it is, fuel, okay. Then copper,
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Borkauker,
Electric wire.
Electric wires.
electric wire. Mercury,
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Thermometer.
Thermometers.
mercury, thermometer. Okay, these are the match the following. Next you come back, what happens when? What happens when Dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Aniket,
Ma'am, shall I?
Aniket,
Yes, ma'am. Which one?
dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate.
Yes.
What happens when you pour?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Shall I? Ma'am, shall I?
Aniket, can you tell? Yes.
shall I tell?
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Who is that?
Ma'am, shall I?
Yes.
Ma'am, shall I? Ma'am, shall I?
What's your name?
Ma'am, ma'am, shall I?
Yes, I am asking what's your name?
Ma'am, Samarth Gandhi.
Samarth.
Ma'am, no reaction occurs when dilute sulfuric acid is poured on copper plate. However, when concentrated sulfuric acid is poured on copper plate, hydrogen gas evolves along the formation of blue-colored copper sulfate crystals. The chemical reaction between concentrated sulfuric acid and copper is CuH2SO4 plus H2.
Okay. Then next one, iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution.
Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am, shall I?
Yes.
Iron being more reactive
When
displaces
iron
copper
nail is
from
placed
copper sulfate solution. In this reaction, the blue color of the copper sulfate fades and there is dispersion of copper and the iron nails.
Ma'am,
Yes.
shall I tell?
Yes. Yes.
When iron nail is placed in copper sulfate solution, iron displaces the copper from copper sulfate solution, forming copper and iron sulfate. Iron is more reactive than copper. Ma'am, equation iron plus copper sulfate gives to iron sulfate plus copper.
Yes. Then 10th question is that, what is that? Saloni took a piece of burning charcoal and collected the gas valve in a test tube. So first one, how will she find the nature of the gas?
Ma'am, shall I tell? Ma'am, shall I?
Yes.
Ma'am, in a test tube containing gas, she add a few drops of water and she covered the test tube and shake well. After shaking, test the solution with blue litmus. It will change from blue to red. Thus, gas is acidic in nature.
Yes. Gas is acidic in nature. The next, write down word equations of all the reactions taking place in this process.
Ma'am, shall
Shall
I?
I tell, ma'am? Shall I tell, ma'am? Tell, ma'am.
Yes.
Burning of charcoal liberates carbon dioxide.
C plus O2 equals to CO2.
It is
Carbon from
From
charcoal plus
plus
oxygen plus carbon dioxide.
Yes, ma'am.
not equal to. It is gives rise to, you have to tell. Equal to no. Gives means form. What these two together form, no, that we have to write. It is not equal. Next, what is the last question, students?
Ma'am,
Now,
one
one
day
day
Rita
Rita went to jewelry shop with her mother. Her mother gave an old gold jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. Next day, when they brought the jewelry back, they found that there was a slight loss in its weight. Can you suggest a reason for
Ma'am,
the loss in weight?
I will suggest, ma'am. Shall I
Ma'am,
tell,
shall
ma'am?
I tell?
Shall I tell?
Ma'am, shall I tell, ma'am?
Shall I tell?
Wait, students. Who is ready to say?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, shall I?
Shall I?
Ma'am, I.
Name.
Hi.
Ma'am Deepak.
Ma'am, Samarth.
Samarth Gandige.
Samarth
Ma'am,
Gandhi.
Samarth Borgaonkar.
Ma'am Deepak Rugi.
Ma'am, Samarth.
Yes, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, Hallelujah, can you?
Which question?
11th question. Preeti Birala. Are you not listening, students? What is going on? Huh?
Shall I tell?
Preeti, are you Preeti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the 11th answer.
Yes.
Yes.
To polish a to polish a gold ornament it is dipped in a liquid called aqua, a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. On getting the environment of aqua regia, the outer layer of gold dissolves and the inner shiny layer appears. The dissolving of the layer causes a reduction in the weight of the jewelry.
Okay.
Shall I tell?
Deepak, can you say properly? Don't run. Say
What, ma'am?
Shall I tell, ma'am?
Deepak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
To polish a gold ornament, it is dipped in an acid. That's name is aqua regia. The outer layer of a gold dissolves in that acid, and the inner shiny layer is visible because of loss of upper layer of jewelry. Its weight is reduced.
Okay. So these are the exercise question answers, students. Tomorrow you have exams, right?
Maths exam.
How many exams you have? Only one.
One
Ma'am, tomorrow English and social.
No, ma'am, maths. Friday maths.
The English and social.
Yes, ma'am. That is 4th standard.
You check your 8th standard, which subjects exams are there.
Ma'am. English and social is there.
English and social exams are there tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you just read about this little students. I'm not giving any homework because you have exam tomorrow. You read for tomorrow's exam and read the science also, whatever you have taken today revision. Okay. These three lessons are coming to SA1 exam. You know that. First lesson, what is that? Crop production and management, microorganisms, metals and non-metals. So these three lessons are coming to SA1 exam. All the questions you read, which are there in the lesson and which are there in exercise part, all are very important. You all have to read. Then anything is there to ask students? Yes.
Ma'am, to us tomorrow maths exam is there, ma'am. For 9th, that exam which
Social and
You see your timetable, 8th standard, what is that? Okay, don't confuse. And which exam is there, you prepare for that exam.
English and social is there.
Okay. See the timetable properly. Don't confuse.
Ma'am, online exam will
Yes.
online exam will
Online exam only. Online means that how we conduct every week, no? Like that. So if it is online exam, only, yes. If it is conducting online exam, means, it will be given notice before conducting exam. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Yesterday we have discussed all these problems. Good
Yes, sir. Up to 10th problem.
Yeah, now 16.2 you go. 16.2. Can you see on the screen? I am sharing the screen. Can you see?
Yes, sir. 16.2.
Yes. Where is the pointer now?
Sir, on if 21 y5.
Okay. Now you see. First question is if 2155 is multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So how do you check divisibility by 9?
Sir, by adding all the digits.
Yes, sum of digits should be divisible by 9.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Y should be 1, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Any of you are having doubt in this one?
No, sir.
No. Yeah, very simple it is. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 9 table ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 8 plus 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. Y is 9, 1. Similarly, second question. If 31Z5 is multiple of 9, where Z is digit, what is the value of Z? So here sum of these digits 3 plus 1 plus Z plus 5 should be divisible by 9. Correct? 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Already it is 9. Z can be 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
0. If Z is 0, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 9 will come. 9 divided by 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. Z can be 9 also. Because 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 is divisible by 9. That's why for Z two values are there, 0 and 9. Are you all understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
If I keep solving on the board, too much time is required, that's why. Next, third one. If 24x is multiple of 3, where x is, what is the value of x? If 24x is multiple of 3, so what is divisibility test for 3? Can you tell me?
The number should be divisible by 2 and 6.
Hey, what is the question here? 4x is multiple of 3.
Adding numbers together.
Divisible by 3.
Adding numbers together.
Adding the numbers, not numbers, adding the digits. Numbers are different, digits are different. Digits are there in the number. The
Sum of all digits should be multiple of 3.
Okay, or sum of all digits should be multiple of 3, or sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. Already 2, 4 is there. 2 plus 4, how much? 6. 6 is divisible by 3, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X can be 0 also. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And x may be 3, sir.
3 also. 2 plus 4, 6. If x is 3, 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So x can be 3 also. Then x can be 6 also.
Yes, sir. 12.
12 is divisible by 3. X can be 9 also. 2 plus 4, 6. 15. 15 is divisible by 3.
Yes, sir.
Understanding? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fourth, if 3, 1, Z, 5 is multiple of 3, where Z is the digit, what might be the value of Z? So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Already it is 9. So sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Hey, Rakesh, Masri, in Tagabirtin no group nanda. Huh? Why are you sharing the screen? Why are you starting the video? Rakesh, speak with me. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Already that 9 is divisible by 3. So Z, if it is 0, so it is divisible. Z can be 3 because 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Z can be 6 also. 9 plus 6, 15.
9 also.
Oh, Z is 9. 9 plus
Yes, sir. 9 also.
yes.
Sir, first lesson over.
Or Abu Sufyan, where is Abu Sufyan? Is there? Is not in this class? In ninth.
Sir,
Abu Sufyan is in 9th class, correct? Or 8th standard? No, no, he was asking me to explain in Hindi. Hindi is there, I am telling. You can see in Hindi also. Some videos are also there. Now, first this one playing with numbers is over. This kind of problems we should practice. Next, we shall go to next chapter. Second chapter. What is second chapter? Rational
number.
Yes. So what is?
First lesson.
Can you tell me what is rational number?
Sir, the number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0 are called as rational numbers.
We have studied some properties, closure property, then
Associative property.
Commutative property.
Distributive property.
Closure, associative, commutative, distributive properties we have studied. Using those properties, we should simplify the problems. Here, exercise 1.1. Using appropriate properties, find the value of these. First, what they have done, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5, 1 by 6. 5 by 2 is taken outside. So how we can do this? Using associative property. Do you find this kind of problems difficult? If you find difficult, I'll explain on the board. Otherwise, I'll go next.
So explain on board.
This should be explained.
Yes, sir. One problem only explained, sir.
Okay, in exercise 1.1, which problem is difficult for you? Tell me. All cannot be solved.
Sir, explain first one only, sir.
First one, na?
Yes, sir.
First one is, that is very simple, boy. This is very simple. You are asking. If I keep explaining, one period goes for one problem only, then 1, 2, 3 problems. Tell me. Your friend is asking to explain this first problem. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. See, you make it easy to solve, then automatically you are using the properties. As it is, if you solve, it is little difficult. If you make some changes, it is easy. To make it easy, what you should do? 5 by 2, keep that side. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. This I'll take minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Plus 5 by 2, I'll keep this side. What did I do now? Which property did I use? Commutative property, there are 2 numbers. Here 3 are there. We are using associative. Correct? We are using associative property. So 3 numbers are there. First, we are using only, we are adding or subtracting these two. One I kept that side. What is associative? A plus B.
Sir, one number is common, no, sir.
You wait. A plus B plus C is there. Now what I am doing? I am adding A plus B and C is taken that side. First I am doing this. So C is that side. Okay. Now, in this, what is common both sides?
Sir, 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
Better you can take minus 3 by 5 outside. I will take this. Minus 3 by 5. Minus is both sides. I will take minus also. 3 by 5 also. What is remaining here? 2 by 3 is remaining.
2
So what is taken means plus 1 by 6.
Plus
Plus. So now
number 2.
LCM and add 3 by 5.
6.
LCM. 3 2 za 6 1 is 6. 2 2 za
4 plus
4 plus 1
4 by minus
5.
5 by
3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 4 plus 1 5 by 6 plus 5 by
2.
correct.
Sir, there is into, sir. How it becomes plus?
This okay into is that. Now you can cancel these two and then simplify, no problem. 5 5 you cancel. 3 1 za 3 2 za 3 1 za 3 2 za. So it became 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2.
5 by 2.
Denominator is same. 1 plus 5 by 2 equal to 6 by 2
2.
equal to 3. Here where you use which property you should write it. Which property you have used here? Associative, right? Which property you have used here? Distributive. Right, distributive property. Okay? That much. Is it difficult? You don't practice, I think. When I ask, then you start asking me only again. When I ask question, you should answer. In return, you are asking me to solve. Means you are not practicing in home. Right? Second one. Like this, second one, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7.
The second one is easy, sir.
Easy? Okay, easy. Some more questions I'll ask. Yes, sir. Remaining you practice. Some questions I'll ask. You answer those. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the additive inverse of minus 13?
What, sir?
What is additive inverse of minus 13?
Sir, plus 13.
13.
5.
What, sir?
What is additive inverse of 1 by 5?
Sir, tell again.
Sir, not hearing your voice.
Yes, sir.
Not hearing?
Yes, sir. While you are telling that sound came, sir.
Okay. Now, wait. What is the additive inverse of 1 by 5? What is additive inverse of 1 by 5?
Sir, minus 1 by 5.
Minus 1 by 5. So, given number plus its additive inverse both together, their sum should be 0. That's all. What is additive inverse of 5 by 6?
Sir, minus 5 by 6.
Minus 5 by 6.
What is additive inverse of minus 1 by 6?
Sir, 1 by 6.
1 by 6. Correct. Their sum should be 0. What is multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Because
3 by 2.
their product should come 1. For example, if 2 by 3 is there, its multiplicative inverse is 3 by 2. So,
Sir, we can't see board, sir.
board, it should
Sir,
be, you know.
sir, board cancel.
Okay, right. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 is 1. What is additive inverse of minus 7 by 8?
Sir, minus 8 by 7.
Minus 8 by 7. Because product of these two will come 1. Minus minus plus, 8 will cancel, 7 will cancel. What is the multiplicative identity? What is
0.
0? No.
Sir, 1.
Sir, 1 1.
What is additive identity?
Sir, 0.
0.
Correct. Okay. Can you define commutative property? What is commutative property? If A and B are any two numbers, if A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B equals to B plus A. Correct? If A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B equals B plus A. It is commutative property under addition. If A and B are any two rational numbers, then A into B equal to B into A. It is commutative
Equals to on multiplication.
multiplication. Whether commutative property is true on subtraction?
No, sir.
Can you give an example?
Sir. Examples number no, sir. Sir, A equals to 7 by 8 times B equals to 5 by 8.
You can take very simple example. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 are not equal. Correct?
Yes.
Vaishnavi, switch off your video. Vaishnavi, switch off the video. Okay. So what is the associative property then? If A, B, C are any three rational numbers,
Rational numbers.
then
The A plus B, A plus B plus C equals to A plus bracket B plus C equals to that, sir.
so associative property. Yeah. If A, B, C are any three rational numbers, then A plus into bracket B plus C is equal to into bracket A plus B bracket complete C. It is associative property under addition.
Addition.
A into B into C equal to A into bracket A into B bracket complete into C.
Into C on multiplication.
Multiplication. So if A, B, C are any three rational numbers, then A plus into bracket B plus C equals A plus into bracket A plus B plus C. Even you can take like this also. A plus C plus B. Here also you can take A into C bracket like this. You can take this way also. Okay. Means if three numbers are there, in any way you can multiply. Means any two numbers can be multiplied. Okay, now tell me, associative property, is it true on subtraction?
No, sir.
No. Is it true on division?
No, sir.
No. Is it true on
No.
is it true on multiplication?
It is only true on addition and multiplication.
Okay.
Multiplication.
Is closure property true on subtraction of rational numbers?
What,
Yes,
sir?
Is closure property true on
Closure.
subtraction of rational numbers?
Sir.
Can you give me an example? What is closure property? Can you tell me?
If A, B, C are any two rational numbers, then A plus B equals to C is also an rational number.
Okay. In simple words, if we add two rational numbers, we get rational number. If we subtract two rational numbers, again we get a rational number. If we multiply two rational numbers, again we get rational number. And if we divide one rational number by other rational number, we get rational number.
No, sir.
Except denominator is 0. If denominator is 0, we don't get it.
Yes, sir.
That we get rational number. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So closure property is true on addition of rational numbers, on subtraction of rational numbers, on multiplication of rational numbers.
Yes.
Correct? What closure property tells? If any two rational numbers, if A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B equal to C is also rational number. That is closure property holds true on addition of rational numbers. If A and AB A and B are any two rational numbers. A minus B equal to C is also a rational number. So closure property holds true on subtraction of rational numbers. Similarly, if A and B are any two rational numbers, then A into B equals C is also a rational number. Correct?
Yes.
So closure property is true on addition, subtraction, multiplication. It is not true on division because denominator cannot be 0. Correct?
Yes.
It is about a closure property, associative property, commutative property. What is commutative property?
That
If A and B are any two,
rational numbers,
then
A plus B equals to B plus A.
then A plus B equal to B plus A. That is order of addition does not change the sum. A can be added to B or B can be added to A. The result is same. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 4 is also 9. Correct?
And commutative property holds only on addition and multiplication.
Yes. Commutative property holds only on addition and multiplication. Okay. It is clear. Say 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 if it is there. This side 3 by 2 plus 1.
1 by 2.
So both are same.
4 by 2 equals to 4 by 2.
4 by 2 means 2 is the answer. Correct?
Yes.
Here also it becomes 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. This side also it becomes 4 by 2. 2 1 za, 2 2 za, 2 1 za, 2 2 za. So both side 2. That is, what is commutative property? A plus B equals B plus A. If A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B equal to B plus A. It is under addition. Under multiplication, A into B equal to B into A. For example, 3 by 4 into 4 by 8. If they like 4 by 5 is there like this. Or 4 by 5 into 3 by 4. If it is like this. So 4 4 cancel. Okay. Answer is 3 by 5. Here also 4 4 will cancel. 3 by 5. Both are the same. That is what it says. You can multiply in any order. A to B or B to A. That is commutative property. What is a distributive property? Can you tell me distributive property?
If A, B, C, if A, B and C are any three rational number, then A into bracket plus B plus C into bracket complete into A into B plus A into C.
Okay. If A, B, C are any three rational numbers, then A into bracket B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Say this is useful when you are multiplying, for example, 27 by 105. So you can do this. 27 into 105 can be written as 100 plus 5. Okay. Then 27 into 100, 2700 means 2700 plus 27 5 are 270. 270 half is how much? 135. Correct?
Yes, sir, 135.
So altogether it is 2835.
35.
This way you can use distributive property to solve the given problem. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And also we have studied rational numbers to given rational numbers. Correct? Can you tell me how many rational numbers are there between two rational numbers?
Sir, infinite.
Infinite.
Okay. I'll write two rational numbers. You tell me one rational number between these. I'll write a rational number on the board. Two rational numbers. Say 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. Between these two, I need one rational number. Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me first.
Sir, 3 by 4 into 2 into 2.
You tell me and answer. How will you solve? There are two methods. How will you solve? I need.
Sir, first method is
First method is find the average.
We have to multiply.
First method, find the average of these two. So add these two and divide by 2. Correct? So 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4 whole divided by 2. You get rational number. Correct? So denominators are same. 3 plus 2, 5 by 4 divided by 2 equal to 5 by 4 divided by 2, change it to multiplication. So it is 5 by 8. Correct? This method you remember?
Yes, sir. 5 by 8 answer.
5 by 8 is answer. Exactly middle we get one number.
Yes, sir.
For example, if we need 4 rational numbers, for example, in between these two, I need 4 rational numbers. So I'll give one number. 3 by 4. Another one. Let us take.
Sir, how much number we want, sir?
I want
4.
4 rational numbers. I'll write another number. Wait. 2 by 3 is one number. Another one is 1 by 3. Between these, I want 4 rational numbers. How will you do? Do it fast and tell me.
Sir, I got, sir.
No, tell me.
Sir, 5 by 15.
5 by
15.
5 by 15. So 5 by 15.
15.
Then?
6 by 15.
Okay, then?
7 by 15.
How much?
7 by 15.
15.
8 by 15.
8 by 15.
9 by 15.
9 by 15.
10 by 15.
10 by 15.
15. Then?
10 by 15.
10 by 15. How many you need?
4.
5, sir.
I need 4.
Yes, sir. 4.
Yes, sir.
Which are those 4?
5 by 6, 5 by 15, 6 by 15, 7 by 15, 8 by
8 by
15.
15.
See here, I between these two. Between means leaving these two. Leave these two. Between these.
Sir, 6 by 15, 7 by 15, 8 by 15, 9 by 15.
9 by 15.
Okay. These. Between means leaving these two. Correct? So, how did you get this answer?
Sir,
2 by 3.
sir, I divide into
How
5
much?
by 5.
5 by
You need 4 rational numbers means you should multiply 5 by 5. Correct?
Yes,
5
sir.
is 10. 3 5 15. Another number is there 1 by 3. 1 by 3 also we should multiply 5 by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So between 2 by 3 and between 1 by 3 means between 10 by 15 and 5 by 15. So 5 by 15, then 6 by 15, 7 by 15, 8 by 15,
8 by 15, 9 by 15.
10 by 15. Between these two, these are there. 4. You understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another example, one more. You should tell me answer. Say, for example, if your question is like this. 3 by 4, another number, 4 by 5, like this. Denominators are different. I want 4 rational numbers between these two. Between these two, we need 4 rational numbers. 4 rational numbers. Who want to tell? First find the denominator. First find the LCM of the denominator. Make denominators equal. Then
Sir, 20.
what is this?
20.
So 20.
So 3 by 4 equal to 3 by 4 into denominator. I want 20 means how much I should multiply? 5 by
5.
So 3 5 is 15 came here. 4 5 is 20. Another one more number is there. That is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 equal to 4 by 5 into. How much should I multiply here to get denominator 20?
Sir, 4 by 4.
4 by 4. So 4 by 4 I multiply. 4
16 by 20.
20. So now numbers are 15 by 20, 16 by 20. Still we have not rational numbers between those two. to write
Yes, sir.
easily. Then what will you do next?
Sir, into 5 by 5.
We need 4 rational numbers means now multiply 5 by 5. Here 5 by 5. Here 16 by 5, 15 is there, 20 is there. That is equal to 16 by 20 into here also 5 by 5. It is 15 5 is 75. 75 by 100. Here 16 5 is 80. 80 by 100. So between
80 by 100. 76 by 100, 77 by 100, 78 by 100, 79 by 100.
yes, 76 by 100, 77 by 100, then 78 by 100,
79 by 100.
9 by 100. 4 we have got no. This is how we can find a rational number between two given rational numbers. You understood now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then representation of rational number on the number line, you know that, correct?
Yes, sir. Easy.
That is easy, just drawing is there. Simple. Linear equations. Shall we start linear equation now?
Yes, sir. Third lesson.
Third lesson. This is easy, you do it. Already I have explained. In linear equation, some examples I will solve. What do you mean by linear equation? Degree should be how much? Linear equation, degree of
Sir,
linear.
1.
1. What is the degree?
2 by 4 and 4 by 5. 4 is equal to 3 by 5 by 5.
What
Sir,
your
voice is not correct, sir.
whose voice?
So, voice is not correct. So, according to me, voice is not correct.
According to you, who are you?
Please
Who are
input your audio, sir.
you? Tell me who you are. Who are you? Why you are not? 1 means what? Shall I remove? Why your name is not there?
Sir, linear polynomial.
Oh, are you alien? Why you are not given name? According to you, tell me.
Sir, he left,
I know who is that.
sir, he left the meeting, sir.
Some members just enter. Is it like a general ward? Government hospital? Is it government hospital? Simply entering and speaking something and going. Without name, don't enter the class. Your name should be there. How do I know who is this? Exercise 3.1. Dear students, why I am becoming angry and shouting, you know? ಈ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಿ ಒಳಗ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೊರಗಿನವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಪರಿಚಯದ ಇರ್ಲಾರ್ದವ್ರು ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಎತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗ?
What, sir?
ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಅಪರಿಚಿತರು ಬರ್ತಾರ, ಬಂದ್ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ. ಚಿಂತೆ ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ?
Somebody came, sir. Name 7.
Unknown person should not come.
Sir, again came number 7.
ಅವನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀ ಯಾರ Seven number, who's this? Phone number 7. You speak with me. I am sending the message to unmute and speak with me. Who are you? Who is this? In phone number 7 is there, who is this?
Sir, he left the meeting only.
Adano ille nodu.
Sir, he is in meeting.
I am telling you, if he is in the meeting, why can't he speak with me? Hmm? I am teacher, I am your teacher. If he is a student, what is the problem in speaking? Am I police here? Huh? Whose number is this? Rename it otherwise. 7 number. Speak with me. Okay. Let it be. You
Sir, he was speaking.
is speaking. Yeah, tell me. Tell me, boy. Who are you? Don't waste time. I am revising. Hello. If I remove.
Hello, sir.
ಯಾರು ನೀನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು? But my period is there. I should explain. Tell me fast. Now he left now again. Students.
Yes, sir.
Now what I'll do without saying, if he joins again, I'll remove him. When I remove, he cannot join. ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು?
Chetan Manami, sir.
Chetan?
Chetan Manami.
Chetan Manami. Hey, Chetan Manami. Rename it. He's in which class?
Sir, he was in 6th standard, sir.
6th standard. Chetan Manami na?
Yes, sir.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ?
Sir, he was in 6th in our class only, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಚೇತನ್ ಮನಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ನಿನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ?
ಸರ್ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ರಿ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂತ.
ಅವನ ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು?
ಚೇತನ್ ಮನಿಮೆ.
ಚೇತನ್ ಮನಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಸಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ. ಮೈಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾನ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ನನ್ ಮತ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ್ರಿ ನಾನೇ ಚೇತನ್ ಮನಿಮೆ ಅಂತ್ರಿ.
ಹೌದನ? ಚೇತನ್ ಮನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾನ? ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾನೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೋ?
ಮತ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀರಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೋ. Okay, see how much time he wasted. Because of him, time is wasted.
Sir, 3.1 no, sir, no.
Yeah, 3.1. So in 3.1, which problem you are having doubt, you say, if you tell, I will solve.
Our problem is easy, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, easy.
Sir, go to 3.2.
No, I am asking you. For everybody, it will not be easy. For you, may be easy. For others, may be difficult. Anyone who is having doubt? 3.1. Tell me. If you have doubt, I will solve. Tell me question number. Don't hesitate to ask. I will solve. You don't have doubt in 3.1?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Different types of examples, 2-3 examples, I'll solve them. Just here. Directly. One example. For example, x plus 6 equal to 10 is there. Okay. So x equal to, if you write, plus becomes minus this side. So x becomes 4. Plus becomes minus. When you move 6 that side, minus. Second example, same example, if it is like this, x minus 6 equal to 10. So if I write x equal to, it is 10 minus 6 becomes plus 6.
Plus.
Equal to 16. Then third example, 2x equal to 10. 2 and x are multiplied. So x equal to, if you write, 10 divided by 2. Here multiplication is this side division. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So x equal to 5. Means one example I can tell you. 2 chocolate equal to 10 rupees. Means 1 chocolate is how much? That is 5 rupees. Then fourth one. Half of x equal to 10. X equal to how much? Half of x.
Okay. X equal to
Half into 10.
x equal to 10 into 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1 that side. Or denominator goes in numerator of this system. So x equal to 20. X equal to 20. Understood? Some more example. I'll explain some more examples. See, if it is like this, 2 by 3 x equal to 10, then how will you solve? Directly what you can write, x equal to 10, 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2 this side. Denominator goes in numerator goes in denominator. 2 1 ja 2 5 x equal to 15. Correct? Understanding? Next one.
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 by 2 x plus 5 equal to, if it is 10. Now you should not send 3 by 2 first. First you should send 5 that side. Because minus 3 by 2 is not for like this. If it is for both, then 3 by 2 can be sent that side. Now bracket is not there. So first you should send 5 that side. So it becomes minus 3 by 2x equal to 10 minus 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 3 by 2 x equal to 5.
I
X equal to 5 into minus is there. Minus 3 by 2 only you can take that side. It becomes minus 2 by 3. So cancellation not possible. So 5 to the 10 minus 10 by 3 is the answer. For example, if bracket is there here, if bracket is there, then you cannot send 5 to that side now. It is in bracket. 3 by 2 send that side first. So x plus 5 equals 10 into 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3.
Minus 2.
Minus 2 by 3. Now cancellation possible, we check. If not possible, multiply. 10 to the 20. Minus 20 by 3. And this plus 5 becomes minus 5 this side. Nothing means 1. Take LCM is 3. So it becomes 3. 3 1 the 1 3 the. 20 1 the 20. So minus 20. 5 3 the minus 15. 15 20 minus 35 by 3. It becomes minus 35 divided by 3. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
So you check out which problem is difficult for you. In exercise 1.6, any problems are there? Is this one, not 1.6? 3.1. Any doubts are there? You check. If not, I'll go next.
No, sir.
Now, ninth one. Okay. Exercise 3.1, ninth one you want. That is also very simple. This one you are asking, ninth one.
All problems in 3.1 is easy only, sir.
Yeah, I told no, this is easy for you. For some members may be difficult. So 16.
You understand the question, sir, first.
Yeah. Minus 9 becomes plus 9 this side. 7x equal to 16 plus 9, 25. X equal to 25. 7 comes this side. Denominator. Over. This much. Any other doubt? Tell me any other doubt is there in that exercise? Sindhu Jampa, switch off your video. Sindhu Jampa, switch off the video. Yes. Exercise 3.2. In which problem you are having doubt? Which problem you are having doubt? Or all are doubts? I'll explain and I'll go fast and remind all. If you subtract 1 from a number, I'll write equation. You can solve later. All of you open your textbook. I don't write question. If I keep writing question, it takes time. Exercise 3.2. First main. If you subtract, question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, I don't know number, I'll take x. If I subtract 1 by 2 from a number, x minus 1 by 2, and multiply the result by 1 by 2, multiply its result by 1 by 2. Okay, you get 1 by x, you get 1 by x. What is x? So take 1 by 2 that side, that goes in numerator, 2 1 the 2 4 the 1 by 4, take minus 1 by 2 that side, it becomes 1 by 2 becomes plus 1 by 2. How to solve? Any doubt is there in this?
Yes, sir.
Any of you are having doubt means raise hand. If you don't want to speak, you raise your hand, I'll explain. But it should be very fast. 1 by 2 take that side, goes in numerator, 2 1 the 2 4 the, it becomes 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2 take this side, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 over. Second one, the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters, its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So one rectangular swimming pool is there, like one swimming pool is there. They have given what they have given, its perimeter is given, perimeter means boundary length. Boundary length is given, you know formula of perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, perimeter they have given, how much is given? 154 is given, 154 centimeters. 2 as it is. Length is how much and breadth is how much? They have given relation. Its length is 2 meter more than its twice its breadth. Breadth also don't know, length also don't know. I'll take breadth as x. What is called length? Length is 2 meter more than twice breadth. Twice means 2 times. 2 times. 2 meter more than twice its breadth. It is breadth. Double of breadth is 2x. Twice breadth. 2 meter more means 2x plus 2. Now substitute in this. Length is how much? 2x plus 2. Breadth is how much? X. So solve this. Take this to this side. 154 divided by 2 is equal to 2x plus x, 3x, 3x plus 2. 2 1 za, 2 7 za, 7 za. 77 equal to 3x plus 2. Further how to solve you know. Take 2 this side, it becomes 75. Take 3 this side, 75 by 3. X becomes 25, this is 25. Then this one, 25 to 50 plus 2, 52.
52.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then third problem. Third problem is, the base of isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is, what is the length of either of the remaining sides? One isosceles triangle is given. You know isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Two sides are views are. I'll call this as x. I'll call this as x. And they have given base. Base is 4 by 3 centimeter is given. Correct? And perimeter they have given. Perimeter of the triangle equal to sum of sides. No. I'll call this as name A, B, C. So perimeter of triangle. Perimeter.
62 by 15.
Okay, how much?
62 by 15, sir.
Okay, perimeter
Giving mixed fraction.
ABC is what? It is A, B plus C plus CA. Like this you should write. Perimeter they have given, how much they have given? 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter is given. AB is x. This is 4 by 3. And that is also x, x plus x 2x. So it is 15 for the 60 plus 2, 62. 62 by 15 equal to x plus x 2x. 2x plus 4 by 3. So 2x equal to, if you write 62 by 15, 4 by 3 comes this side, minus 4 by 3. Now take LCM and cancel it. 2x equal to, LCM is 15. 15 1 is 15, 3 5. 62 minus 5 4 is 20. That is equal to 62 minus 20 is 42 by 15. Okay, then take 2 that side. So if you take 2 that side, x equal to 42 by 15 is there. x is here, the 2 was here, so it comes in the denominator. 2 1s are 2 21s are. So x is 21 by 15, but further you can cancel 3 5s are 3 7s are. So x equal to 7 by 5. This is 7 by 5, this is also 7 by 5. Okay, understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Remaining problems also we shall solve tomorrow. Almost all problems I'll solve. Again. But you should do well in the exam. You are going to write exam in your home. We are going to send the question paper. So no supervisor. Who will be supervisor? Yourselves. So you should write well without opening the notes. Okay? Thank you all.
Question papers comes to home.